Make sure that your fan is running. But look, your coils are filthy, as filthy, as filthy, as filthy. Wow.
Tammy, how old is that fridge?
I think this one's going to be
And your compressor is pretty hot.
It is?
Yeah. Your compressor, you want it to be around 115, 110. This compressor feels like it's like 140, 130. I don't know. Look at that, 140.
Got it.
Yeah, super hot.
What year?
All right, so part of your maintenance on your refrigerator is pulling it out and cleaning the lint from the condenser coils. Right now, that's the condenser area. And you have the fan to the left. Under it is your drain pan. Now, the best way to clean these, and every unit or different models will have different condenser setup, but the majority of them will have the condenser coils located in the back. I think Whirlpool, theirs is underneath. I think that's the only company off the top of my head where you have to tilt the unit sideways to get to the coils to clean them. Nonetheless, you still need to clean them. So GE is going to be in the back. This unit is a GE, but the older GEs, they have the jelly roll type condenser, still need to be cleaned. Now, one of the better ways of doing it, of course, if you are able to take it outside and secure everything and hose it out after you vacuum and do some blowing. But you can actually do a great job by vacuuming, and also if you have a small blower, go ahead and blow everything out. Now, you can blow from the back to the front, maybe put a damp blanket around the unit, and it's going to keep all of the lint and dust kind of contained instead of actually all over the place. So make sure you try and get as many rivets and corners as you can. Those coils or fins, do not bend them. So when you vacuum, be very careful as you put the vacuum over. Now, I would even use a small brush and basically remove most of the lint, and then you're able to get to them. Now, another thing you should do is go ahead and use something damp, a rag, towel, whatever, and clean the condenser fan area. Make sure the fan blades are clean as well. Be gentle with the fans, with the blades on the fan, because you could easily damage them. So take your time and do that. So here I'm actually blowing as well and getting all and everything out. And then you just basically do a little cleanup in the front. And that pretty much covers that. Make sure you tuck your fridge back in. Leave about a fist size, about 4-inch size space between the wall and the refrigerator. So just be mindful of that, and regular maintenance, and your fridge won't have a problem. And this, I think, took care of the CLF error code. I'll update that code. I don't remember, but basically it's a temperature code, and that could be from anything causing a rise in temperature. So keep in mind your condenser is one of the most crucial maintenance area on your refrigerator. It dictates how well your fridge is cooling or will cool. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks for watching. Nice and clean, and that's clean as well. All right, we're gonna put it back together. It stays nice and clean. Look at that, and that's how it should be. And we're gonna do about a fist, 5 inches from the wall when we slide it back in, and that's it. Yep.